Right now, we're seeing an interesting shift in inflation sentiment. With a sentiment score of plus 0.09, you're looking at a notable uptick compared to the historical baseline, especially given the current momentum at minus 0.82. This indicates a divergence. While the overall sentiment is improving, the momentum suggests a potential slowdown in positive sentiment growth. Our API returns comprehensive insights on inflation sentiment, allowing you to drill down into these fluctuations. Imagine using this data to refine your trading strategies or risk assessments, leveraging our 19 semantic clusters to understand the nuances behind the numbers. If you're looking to integrate this into your systems, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's get to work on making sense of this inflation sentiment together.